Buea, Cameroon, where the world of medicine and arts collide. One woman brings imagination to life.
I am Enyong, master's student studying hematology and blood banking. And also I'm a makeup artist, facial effect makeup artist.
Enyong's journey into the world of special effects makeup began in 2020, inspired by YouTube videos.
I started doing this thing, I think 2020, yeah. But I was just doing it for pleasure, watch YouTube videos and do, but I took it as a profession, or let me say a lucrative job 3 years ago, that's 2021. If I'm thinking about a burn, I know I'm a medical student though. I know how someone who have a burn maybe from water or fire looks like. I can be able to recreate it. And the fact that I can easily pick out those details and bring it to reality. I just know it's inborn because if I didn't learn it anywhere and I'm this good, imagine if I learned it somewhere and if it was not inborn, I would have not been this good in it.
Her background in hematology and blood banking gives her a unique urge in creating realistic effects.
Many people used to say it is not matching. Doing this and being a medical personnel is not matching. But I feel like it's wrong because when I start, I know the color of blood. Sometimes when I watch movies, when I see a blood spill, I know it. I will tell you that it doesn't even look like somebody will look. It's really fake because I already have the color of blood and also my specialty in school, hematology and blood banking. We deal with blood and blood-related diseases. Those who do blood transfusion, right? Yeah. So I have that image. If I'm producing something, I want it to be real as though it is real. If I want to do an amputated leg, I know how an amputated leg looks like medically. So that image in my head help me to create it even more better.
When Enyong posted her work online, the realistic effects shocked many, including her family.
I'm from Kumba. They know about Buea. Coming, everybody know Buea to be a Sodom and Gomorrah environment. So when I started this thing, many people felt like I was initiated. My parents felt I was initiated. Because I remember one time I did an amputated leg on myself. So I took the picture and I posted it on Facebook. I did not cover my face. My whole family my family members were calling and they were asking what's happening with me, what happened, and it was really scary. My father shouted, many people shouted at me to stop doing that and stuff. But at one point, my family, they understood that that's what I like, and when I go for holidays, I don't just live here in school. When I go for holidays, I try to use my siblings. So they started supporting me and stuff like that.
Creating effects under time constraint can be stressful, but Enyong has learned to manage the pressure.
On set, with beauty makeup, you can easily just do it and you get it. But when you're on set with a director, the director will be like, I need you to give me a bullet hole. And this thing takes time. You don't just rush. So that pressure, you need to be able to work under pressure. And sometimes I don't know how to work under pressure. I'm just learning to. So at times I used to be tense. Before I knew it, my product has spilled. I would just point things.
Despite doubts from friends and misconceptions from others, Enyong's determination never wavered.
Well, my friends were supportive, but others, they were really discouraging. They were like, Cameroon industry, what are they even doing? We are not into filming. This thing is just a waste of time and stuff. And they used to tell me that since I'm dealing with it, I can easily be initiated in this is what you call Nyongo and stuff.
Looking ahead, Enyong aims to expand her influence and make special effects makeup more accessible in Cameroon.
I would like to open a store in Cameroon to sell the product of this and train more students on this because right now we are few of us in the entertainment industry. Yeah, so we need more of special effect makeup artists. Talent is something that brings food to our table more than our profession. truth be told, I've made a lot of money from makeup, a lot. But now, how can you identify your talent? If you know yourself, you'll be able to know what you're good at. So many of us out here, we don't know ourselves because of how the society has turned. We are just carried by trends. We are carried away by what our friends or A and B is doing. You will see somebody wants to do, somebody is good at hairdressing, but no, the person wants to do makeup because this person is in makeup or this. And we shy away from our talents because of how it looks. So many people don't like special effect makeup because they say it make you look somehow, it's dirty and stuff. I remember the time I used to use my face for most of these things. It gave me some things on my face, so yeah. And if it was this generation, let me say like 2024, I'm not sure I'll have continued because back then so many people, the discouragement they gave me, if it was now, it would be too much and I will have stopped because of how the society will be looking at me. So if you know yourself, you'll be able to identify your talent. And if you identify your talent, no matter how the talent, it may seem a very dirty talent, but that's what people would tend to admire. And some people drop away from that talent due to how peer pressure. Like me, if I wanted to drop this thing, I would have dropped it. Everything. Because you post a video, nobody will say anything, eh? They will not say anything, they will not even like, they will not appreciate you. Sometimes I'll post and I'll go and delete it. Because I feel like nobody has seen it. But when you are talking with them, maybe time after you hear they say, they'll be mentioning the things that you did, and they'll be like, you're doing well, I saw you, I saw this, and so you just need to keep pushing. Asha.
For Enyong, spirituality plays a crucial role in her work and life.
One point, if you're not with God, I don't think you're going to be able to figure out yourself. If you're not with God, means you have opened yourself to the world, take in all the opportunities that are coming, all the opinions from different sides. But if you're with God, you're going to stick. Like me, most time, if I put up something, I pray. If I'm finding difficult, I pray. If I want to launch anything like classes, I pray. If I'm doing this thing, I'll always ask Him, show me the signs. If this thing that I'm about to do concerning this my special effect is wrong, let me know. We don't identify ourselves with God because we feel like it takes time for God to answer. We feel like God's own plan is always narrow, it's difficult to handle and stuff like that. So we always want to drill ourselves to the area which is really, really easy and sweet to go. So most times we fail because of that. So identify yourself with Christ or God is the best thing you can do, and is the best way to easily know your purpose and the mission to accomplish your purpose.
Her faith not only grounds her, but also provides clarity and strength in her creative endeavors.
Even when the director come to me for makeup, for me to go on set, I don't just accept. Sometimes I will tell them to give me time. I'll pray about it because the world itself is spiritual. These are the kind of things that you can have opening for spiritual things to come inside. It seems like it's just play, but we know that life is spiritual. And anywhere that there's blood spilled, that's where demons, they always like where there's blood. Yeah. So if you identify yourself with God, you easily know your purpose. And there's no way you can live with your purpose on earth without God.
Enyong's gift continues to transform the world of special effects makeup in Cameroon, one brushstroke at a time. With passion, talent, and waving faith, Enyong's gift is a testament to the power of imagination and perseverance.